Good morning, fellow app makers. Behzad is here from Code Simplifier. Welcome back to another video how to developing your tip calculation application using Kotlin language in Android Studio. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply some changes into our project and how to push a newer version of our project into GitHub. And we are going to learn how to keep our project separated from our initial version. So let's get started. I am in my main activity right now. Just go to your activity main layout XML. And for sake of this video and to just show you how the new changes could affect on your project, I'm going to apply just only one small change onto our project, and I'm going to show you how it works. So come inside your text view is where you are asking how was the service question. And we are going to add a text style, and we are going to change our text style to italic. And here is we applied one change to newer version, and we are going to keep these new changes separated from our initial version. So we apply the text style, come inside your project or wherever you see the project name, right click, come down until you see Git expanded, just come up and you see commit directory. Click on commit directory and wait for this window to pop up. And in this window, what we see is you see the Android Studio tells you what changes has been made, and that it shows our activity main XML layout. That is where has been changed. Here it changed, the text style has been the bold transferred to italic, and we are just transferred our text style from bold to italic, and that is a new changes. Here you just commit message. Basically you have to write down what you've done. And I'll just write down change the text style from bold to italic, so that whoever comes and use the newer version, they understand what changes has been made. So if you're happy with everything, just click on commits. Once you click on commit, you see another window comes up, and it asks you to review the code and review the changes. Basically, because we haven't done much, you don't need to be worried about reviews. All we have to just ignore the review and just click on commit. And if I want to explain what a review is, if the project it gets bigger and you need to review what changes has been made, and basically you're happy with the changes, then obviously you have to just go and review the codes and to see what has been done. But obviously we haven't done much, we can skip it. So here the message pops up, one fault committed, change the text style from bold to italic. That means everything until now is okay. And the new changes has been made inside our system, inside our project. That means our GitHub repository or our GitHub folder has been changed yet, or we haven't pushed the new version into our GitHub account yet. So that is what we are going to do. Again, come up to your My Tip app, right click, come to your Git again, and Git expanded, and if you see the bottom view, it says repository, and here you see push. Just click on push. Here is another window pops up, and here is basically our last step to transfer our project into GitHub. And if you see here, it says master, origin, master. Master is the hub for your initial version of your application. Basically, in our last video, last project, we transfer our project into the master branch or the master hub. And if we want to keep separated our changes, here we have a chance of doing so. So just double click on master or around it, and you can change the name. And the new master or new hub that I'm going to create has a different name. And I just call it text change version. Click OK, and we created a new master or new hub for our project. And once that's done, everything's happy, just click on push and wait for the project has been loaded onto your GitHub account. We successfully transfer our new version of our project onto GitHub account, and now we are going to our GitHub account to check if the project has been uploaded yet or not. So just go to your GitHub account. I'm already in my GitHub account. Just open up your project, and here you see the text change version has been uploaded. And basically we have two branches. One is master with initial version, and the second one is a new master or new hub which we created. Here again we can change. We have two masters or two different hubs, and we can just switch between the hubs and we can apply the changes. And here, whenever you see the compare and pull request, basically GitHub tells you the newer master has some differences to compare to your master hub or your initial version, and it asks you to just check, compare two differences, and if you are happy with everything, you basically combine them and you transfer the new changes onto your master hub or your initial version. Doing that, so it takes a long time, and I don't want to expand the length of this video. And if you want me to do that one, I will create another video and I will teach you how to compare and apply the pull requests from newer masters into your initial masters, and how you can apply those changes into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if I am going to recap what we have done, basically we applied some changes into our newer version, which we imported from our GitHub repository. We applied changes, committed or transferred those changes into the newer version, and we pushed a newer version into GitHub account inside a different hub. If you have any question or recommendation, please make sure you write it down in the comment section below. And if I want to add one more thing to it, I will encourage you to do your own experiments, apply some changes, do some works, make some changes onto your application, then transfer the newer changes onto GitHub account, and you will learn way better and way easier by practicing and applying some changes into your project. Thank you for your time watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please make sure you put a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and you're not missing any weekly videos. I will see you all next week.